Hello guys, working on this Accord. I'm just gonna show you something really simple, really easy to do. I'm gonna replace all the T10s on the cluster. I'm gonna replace the regular bulb for T10 LEDs. 2 Phillips screws on top. Pull it from the bottom and get it out. You're gonna have 2 Phillips in here on top. This one was already loose. Sometimes you start working on new stuff and new things are there. On the corners, on the bottom, it's gonna have 2 more Phillips. So total of 4 on the cluster. Okay, all those 4 are being removed. Now we can remove the cluster. Three plugs, get those 3 out. Just pushing the little tab in the middle. And the third one is on the other side. And that's how easy you remove the cluster on this 6-gen Accord. Now if you see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 T10s. It's regular bulb right now, but we're gonna put some T10s. So these ones that I'm gonna put on, this is a non-polarity, so I can put them either way and they're gonna work. In this one, it wasn't working. That's why the cluster on that side, it was not bright at all. That one is not working. So we have the new one. Another one. Look, this one wasn't working too. And the last one. I have all 5. And if you want to replace this, do a little research, because these ones, I think they're T7s. This one too, I think it's a T7. So do a little research on your lights, because check on eBay. They have T7s and T5s. I believe those are T7s and T5s. And you're gonna have 2 more right here on top. Okay, so do a little research for those and get the little package from eBay where they have all the T5s, T7s, and T10s. But I replaced the main ones. I'm gonna connect the cluster now. Let's see how they look. You can see the difference right there, but on this side they're not working. So I'm gonna remove it again and flip them, because I don't know what's going on. Probably the little sockets where the T10s go, some of them they were bad. Probably that's the problem, they're not working. But for the other ones, it's super bright now. Okay guys, I removed the little plugs. I flip them and I connect them. And look at it now. Lots and lots of difference now. That one is working too, and everything looks like it's working now. Super bright. So I'm gonna put a photo of the way they looked before, and look at them now. They're super bright. And just by replacing the T10s. If you just wanna replace the T10s, it's gonna change everything. But if you wanna do the whole thing, you're gonna have to get some T5s and T7s. But we have it now. If you can see now the lights, everything is super bright. Looks a lot better. So there you have it, guys. Quick little installation. So I hope you like this little episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.